Come test drive the 2017 GX460. This 7-passenger utility vehicle is more powerful, capable, and versatile than ever before. Visionary in every sense of the word, the GX460 boasts one of the tightest turning circles in its class, a suspension system that helps enhance your capability, and the best-in-class V8 fuel economy. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, hill descent control, traction control, stability control, front suspension type, double wishbones, front suspension type, strut, braking assist, power brakes, airbags, front knee, electronic messaging assistance with read function. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.